I was involved in this project right from the very concept. We did initial submission to the client and how we would deliver the project. The first part of the project was actually a thermal upgrade to an existing building, and it was right from that outset that we realised that this client's open to ideas.
In terms of what we wanted to achieve for the project, we wanted to build a world-class visitor attraction that was appropriate to the brand and would be a must-see, must-do new visitor attraction on the island of Ireland.
Yes, we've built many studios, we have built warehouses, but the concept of building a project that had live existing sets in it and bringing people from movie set business into a construction environment was very, very unique.
The new studio tour had to be up to modern building standards and be of a world-class quality, and then that had to be built around existing sound stages and indeed in some cases existing sets that couldn't be moved. We've often likened it to creating a unicorn, in that bringing together the conventional construction and the world of set construction in particular, and then all of those extremely valuable props, costumes and weapons was truly a challenge.
The whole project actually started off with 3D images that were created by HBO's own design team, and they had the master plan of how they wanted to achieve this project. And from that we took the design elements from the architectural practice, and then we worked that through from a technical point of view, from a construction point of view, to bring that together. From a construction point of view, we then had to bring structural engineers and build steel work all in, and then fix that to the back, but to maintain the original authenticity of the original set. So the set we're talking about here is the actual set they created the film in, and that's what makes this project so exciting. The other aspect probably as well would be health and safety. There's a cultural shift. So I think we had a learning curve at the start where they had to go through their method statements and inductions and wear all the appropriate PPE and understand the importance. But once we got over those hurdles, a lot of it meshed together much better. For us, the technical challenges were enforcing modern day building regulations on something that's practically medieval.
In terms of working with Farrans, we needed stakeholders and contractors who were working step in step with us to deliver what was a very complicated and challenging project at a very complicated time. And part of that would have been ongoing problem solving. So the guys on the ground, and Claire and Chris in particular, were problem solving each and every day and were walking the walk with us.
We had to think on our toes, we had to look at challenges, and we had to work together, and sometimes we had to work together very, very quickly. So right from the outset, all our supply chain had to sign NDA disclosures. We introduced that right from induction, so everyone who came to the site had to be inducted, so they were all aware of the privacy and secrecy of the project.
In terms of what to expect at the studio tour, whether you're a fan of the show or you're just interested in a great family day out, you're going to see something truly world-class. Northern Ireland traditionally has an association with the creation of Game of Thrones, and we're the only Game of Thrones visitor attraction available anywhere in the world, and we believe that cements the Game of Thrones legacy for years to come.
I'm very proud of what the Farrans team have delivered on this project.